let's watch this video together. Let's watch this video together. I have two videos of this particular church doing the same thing. I have one question. Does this particular church still belong to the body of Christ? Because at this point, I don't understand if this is still a church or a club, because the things they do in their church gatherings, the things they do, this is just two out of plenty videos out there of them doing some worldly things in the church. Like this particular one is in the church premises. At this point, I actually doubt if this particular church still belongs to the body of Christ, because what they are doing does not in any way signify Christians or say anything about being Christ-like, because they do a lot of worldly things. Just imagine what church members are doing in church premises. Now watch the video and drop what you think about them in the comment section. Just give your 2 cents in the comment section, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe.